Spring is finally here. I have waited so long to say that. I am not a fan of the winter, it's cold and miserable, and I am so glad that the sun is back. And because spring is here, it is the perfect time to sew up some new wardrobe staples. And today I am sharing 10 new free sewing patterns that would look great in your spring wardrobe. And because these patterns are all available for free online, you can download them right away and start sewing straight after you finish watching this video. So I'll be sharing some flowy, comfy top patterns, some great layering pieces, a skirt, a pair of shorts, and I have personal experience with some of them as well. And as always, I will link the patterns in the description box down below. But firstly, let me just introduce myself. Hi, I'm Joanna, welcome to my YouTube channel, and I make sewing videos here on YouTube filled with tips. I do some tutorials and I love inspiring people to get started making a me-made wardrobe. So if that sounds like something you'd be into, please hit that subscribe button. It really encourages me to make more videos like this. First up, we have the Veronica blouse by Mood Fabrics. And if you don't know Mood Fabrics yet, you should totally go and check out their website because they have tons of free patterns on there, and I feature them quite heavily in my free pattern videos just because they have so many. The Veronica blouse is a gorgeous oversized blouse with ruffle features, and it is really like the ultimate spring blouse. When I think of a spring blouse, this is kind of exactly what comes to mind. And this style has been in fashion for absolutely ages, years, and I really don't see it going anytime soon. It's a beginner-friendly pattern, and because it's nice and floaty and airy, you don't have to worry about fit adjustments, so you won't have to make a toile and you can just get simply straight into sewing. And for that light, airy, floaty feeling, I would recommend using a lightweight fabric, so like a rayon or a viscose, or even like a georgette or something. Next up, we have the Ariadne Tunic by Tanit-Isis Sews. It features a scooped, gathered neckline and a keyhole at the back with flutter sleeves and also a nice hemband. And because it's sewn in stretchy fabric, it's really comfortable. I find that most of the clothes I wear on a daily basis are stretchy fabrics because they're just really comfortable. And I'd recommend making it in a 4-way stretch for ultimate comfort. Maybe a cotton or bamboo jersey would be really lovely. And you could always leave off the hemband if you don't fancy that, and it would be even more kind of floaty and open. Spring, although the sun is out most of the time, it can still be a little bit chilly. So I find in spring, an essential in my wardrobe is a lightweight cardigan. This is the Harper cardigan by Sinclair Patterns, and it's a really easy wearing layering piece, and you can make it up in 4 different lengths. So you can make it all the way from cropped down to a duster length, which falls just below your knee. So you can choose what style suits you best. And also there are different customization options. So you can add cuffs, you can have the sleeves in different lengths, there is the option for a side split, and also patch pockets, and patch pockets are really cute on long cardigans. I really like them. So this piece is perfect for throwing over a t-shirt or a dress when it's a little bit chilly. But if you prefer a cardigan with a bit more structure, then the Lisa cardigan by Seamwork is maybe what you're after. The Lisa cardigan is a great alternative, and it's got a bit more of a fitted silhouette. It's got a V-neck and it does it by buttons at the front. So there are 4 large buttons at the front, giving it a kind of clean and polished look. I love how versatile it is. So you could make it in like a chunky knit fabric for a really casual look, but you could also make it in like a ponte fabric, like ponte Roma, for a more like going out look to wear in the evening. It's actually a really nice cardigan pattern, and I might just have to make one myself. Now, a spring wardrobe wouldn't be complete with a nice flowy skirt. So this is the Ruby skirt by Sew Over It. It is a button-down midi skirt with a wide waistband that is actually elasticated at the back for extra comfort, which I absolutely love. I have used Sew Over It patterns before. Notably, I made the ultimate trousers and I absolutely love that pattern. I wear those trousers all the time. I wear them into work even. And from my experience with Sew Over It, they have really good instructions, it goes really into depth and really clear diagrams. You can also add patch pockets to this skirt, which I love the idea of. I love a big patch pocket on a midi skirt. Fabric wise, you could sew this in a nice cotton or linen, make it really nice and easy, a really simple project, great for beginners, or you could use something a bit more floaty, with a bit more drape. And like I said, this pattern is perfect for beginners, and if you actually want a bit more guidance or help with it, Sew Over It have a free online workshop, so I'd recommend checking that out. And to get this pattern, all you have to do is sign up to their newsletter. Okay, finally, the first dress in the list. So this is the Marina dress by NH Patterns. I absolutely adore NH Patterns. I've made quite a lot of their patterns before. And this dress is super versatile and can be styled in so many different ways with a t-shirt underneath or a cardigan on top. And it features this gorgeous ruffle detailing along the top of the bodice, and it's got a side split, and it also has these gorgeous tie straps, which I absolutely love. So if you're after a really satisfying sew that fits seamlessly into your wardrobe and is a great piece for spring because it's perfect for layering, then I'd recommend this pattern. And of course, I couldn't forget this wardrobe classic, a shirt dress. So this is the Rosalie shirt dress by Mood Fabrics, and I have actually recommended it before in one of my free pattern videos if you're wondering why you might recognize it. But a shirt dress is an absolute wardrobe essential in my book. So it features lovely button down front with a lovely collar, and it has an optional waist tie as well if you want to pull it a bit in at the waist. Seriously, a shirt dress is just such a wardrobe staple. It can be dressed up, it can be dressed down, you can wear it to work, you can wear it on a weekend going to a picnic, and fabrics wise, you can make it in so many different fabrics. I'd recommend like a really lightweight denim or chambray, or a nice cotton, like a cotton poplin would be so lovely, and it's so easy to work with. Or you could make it in something like silk to really elevate the look and make it into an evening dress. Honestly, shirt dresses just have like a big place in my heart. Okay, next up is something a bit more fun. So this is the Sollya Romper by Mood Fabrics as well. This is probably for more warmer days in spring, and you could make it in a lovely lightweight fabric, a nice linen, or something a bit more floaty for that really relaxed feel on a nice warm spring day. Now, this video wouldn't be about a spring wardrobe without me recommending a pair of shorts. So if you're looking for the perfect spring shorts pattern, this pattern is actually called the Spring Shorts, and it's by Peppermint magazine. They have a really easygoing fit with an elasticated waistband, and of course they have pockets. So they have these side front pockets, and I love a pocket moment. I would not be wearing shorts without pockets. And I think these would be amazing in linen or cotton poplin or even cotton lawn or a really lightweight chambray. There's so many different fabrics you could make them in, and they again are perfect for warmer spring days. And you can also transition them into your summer wardrobe. Finally, an absolute wardrobe essential. This is the shell top by the Sewing Bee, I believe, although it's available from Sew Mag. I think this pattern was actually originally published in one of the Sewing Bee books that I might actually have behind me up here somewhere. And since then it has been put on Sew Mag's website for free, so you can download it from there. It is a really classic, easy to wear top, and I love the fact it uses the burrito method. So if you haven't used that method before, it is a really cool method where you kind of sew everything with everything in the middle. You sew the facing, so it's like everything's wrapped in a burrito, and then it hides all the seams nicely inside the top. It's a really clean finish. I definitely recommend checking it out. And actually, this was the first top I ever made. So I was inspired when I was watching the Sewing Bee to make the shell top that they made in their first challenge. I can't remember what season it was, but I was like, oh, I should make a top, because I'd only ever been making dresses by that point, and I really wanted a nice basic top for my wardrobe. So I made this during COVID, and you can see how long my hair was, and that's how I know it was COVID, because I didn't have my hair cut for years. And it has a really clean finish and slight A-line shape, so it's not super tight. It has a really clear minimalist design. Like I said, the seams are all hidden inside, and it also has a little button that you do up at the back, and that's how you easily take it on and off your head. And you could wear it in spring with a pair of jeans or with some shorts if it's slightly warmer, and throw on a cardigan on top if you need it. It's a really nice, simple design that just looks really clean and elegant, and I really love it. And again, fabric choices, you could make it in a lovely lightweight cotton lawn or a viscose fabric, something with a bit of flow and drape to it, or you could go for a cotton poplin instead if you wanted to. The choices are kind of endless with this one. So there you have it, 10 new free sewing patterns for you that you can add to your spring wardrobe. Let me know in the comments which one you're excited the most about making. And don't forget to check the description box for all the links to the patterns, because I will put them all there. And if you love discovering free sewing patterns, make sure you click that like button so that I know that you want more videos like this. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more sewing tips, tutorials, and pattern recommendations. Happy sewing, and I will see you in the next one.